How's everybody doing today? Tim Beckham here, and this is Crosstines Outdoors. Today we will be doing a review over this bad boy right here. And I know what you're thinking. Yeah, it's a buttstock, but it's more than just a buttstock. This here is the Henry U.S. Survival AR-7 22 long rifle. Inside this buttstock is everything you will need. It comes with two 8-round magazines, barrel, and a receiver. I'm going to show you how to set this bad puppy up. So you put your receiver in the slot and you screw this little plastic piece down here on the bottom until your receiver fully connects. Then you'll take your barrel out. You have that little metal circle right there, and that's essentially just going to set inside of this groove on top here, and then this will screw down onto these threads. I like to get it started and give the barrel a push down so it seats properly, and I make sure that my threads are on tight and all the way. Then take one of these magazines and you're ready to go. All right, so this first 8 rounds is going to be an accuracy test. The second is just going to be a mag dump to show the action capabilities of this rifle. We're about 25-30 yards away from that can right there. All right, and now it's time for the mag dump. Overall, I would give this gun 8 out of 10 stars. It's a very unique design. If it floats like it says it does, it would really be a true survival weapon. Now, one of the reasons it's going to lose a star is because the sight walked on me. The other reason is because of that rail right there. Unfortunately, in the design of the buttstock, as you can see, this is where the receiver goes. There is no room for an optic on the rail. And so, for that reason there, I would say she's going to lose a star. Now, as far as the money goes, I think you're going to get your money's worth with this gun. Mine only cost around $350, $375. They had a black option. It was all black. I believe it was $25 or $50 less. They had some different camo patterns that went $25, $50 more. same price. I bought this one at Cabela's, and really I just bought it because of the way it looked. It had eye appeal. Now I did have some concerns as far as it has a short barrel on it, very short. And it has a really fat buttstock, and so I was thinking about the comfortability of the buttstock and the accuracy of the shortened barrel, but it lacks in neither of the two. I think it's actually a really good combination. Shoots really well. It's fun to shoot. However, it would not be an honest review if I did not bring up the fact that it did jam with the federal lead ammunition. And that, like I said, is the only ammunition that it has jammed with. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and found it useful, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe. And until next time, thank y'all.